So I repeat again. Hi, yeah. I see some guys has say hi. That means you hear me. So I repeat again. If you can hear me, please type some words of the number 1. Then if there are more than 20 students, maybe we can start the class. Thank you. Yeah, good. Okay, thank you so much. Because some students use a computer, some students use their cell phone, so maybe their websites or they look some difference. I just give 2 snapshots here. This is for cell phones. If you use cell phone, you can see some orange color button here. You can connect the enter now. This is enter now, Chinese word. So you will enter the class. If you use the computer, you see here means enter the class, and the class is
on.
coming to this course. This course is talk about operation and control technology or pro system. I'm Dr. Shiwei Xia. This is my email s.dam.xia@ncpu.edu.cn. My telephone is 6177-1614. My office is located at Building I, 641. Let me introduce more about myself. I joined the NCEPU, the Department of Electrical Engineer, during in the year 2016. I got my bachelor and master degree in Harbin Institute of Technology, Harbin City, Heilongjiang Province. Then I got my PhD degree at the Hong Kong Polytechnic University in year 2015. After that, I pay 1 more year to have the postdoc position at the Hong Kong Polytechnic University. And in year 2016, I joined the NCEPU, and now I'm a associate professor and a master supervisor. So in the future, if you want to continue your PhD study, maybe I hope I can I can supervise PhD students. Maybe that take 12 and 3 years later. For this course, I hope we could learn happily together, and you can learn something from this course. Also, maybe after 2 or 3 years, maybe some of you maybe want to apply PhD. Maybe if I'm familiar with you, maybe I can write the recommendation letter for you. Okay, that's it. That's my situation. So let's continue our course. In this lesson, we will talk about the purpose of this course and the content, also arrangement, and also review some textbook and related materials. The purpose of the course is to introduce and explore a number of engineering and economic matters involved in planning, operation, and controlling power generation and transmission. This course is intended for the first-year graduate students in electric power engineer. That means this course is a very basic course. If you major in electric engineer. However, in last year, I visited the USA, Chicago. So this course has stopped 1 year. So in this class, there may be two large group students. One is for year 2020, and the other group is for 2019. So in this class, there are about more than 50 students in this class. I mean that 2-year students both registered in this class. So during this year, this course is actually for the first-year graduate students and the second-year graduate students. The topic in this class will serve you and teach you to learn something about advanced mathematics and opinion research applied to practical electric engineer problem. For example, in the following class, I will talk about some methods about economic dispatch, also some methods about automatic generation control, and also some methods for unit commitment. All this method is talk about how to economically operate the power system and promote the energy usage utilization efficiency.
Hello. Ba.
The purpose is also, as I just talked about, the class is also teach you how to economically operate the power system and control it. Just as I mentioned, you will learn how to use economic dispatch and unit commitment, and also automatic generation control for control purpose. I will also introduce methods for solving complicated problems involving both economic analysis and network analysis, and illustrate this technique with a relatively simple problem. For example, I will teach you how to use power flow analysis and economic dispatch to analyze the system operating status. Also, I will introduce AGC, that means automatic generation control, to maintain the system frequency and operate at nearby the rate frequency. For example, in China, the frequency the rate frequency is 50 Hz. And if the active power imbalance, the frequency will derived from the 50 Hz. Maybe if the reactive power source larger than the reactive power load, the frequency will larger than 50 Hz. So that means we have to reduce the reactive power source and increase the reactive power demand. And by AGC control strategy, the system will approach a new balance point. In this course, I will also introduce some current research topics. For example, voice distortion. As some students say, my voice distortion may be due to the internet singular quality. I also open a cell phone at the students on my computer. I hear the voice is normal. So that's some problem for the internet connection. So let's continue. Person